Hi, and welcome to a Pen Publishing Interactive Office 365 video. In this video, I will be covering how to drag and drop files in your OneDrive. So let's get started. First, you will need to log in to portal.office.com. Once you have done that, you will need to go to the waffle button, which is typically located in the top left. However, if your window is at a smaller screen size, it will be moved to the top right and will look something like this. Go ahead and click on that, and you will see a drop-down menu appear. From here, just click on OneDrive. This will bring you to your OneDrive in a browser. Now, if you'd like to upload a file to your OneDrive, simply click on it and drag it, and then drop it here, and it will upload to your OneDrive. Now, the thing that you need to be aware of is that when you click and drag this, it's going to say that you're going to make a copy. You can see the plus sign with the copy there. That means it will also leave a local copy that is not synced in your OneDrive on your desktop. If you want to avoid doing that, you can upload a copy through the File Explorer to your OneDrive. So open up your File Explorer. You'll see I already have it open on the bottom left here. And go to your OneDrive located on the side left menu. And then when I drag this PowerPoint to here, it will say move to my folder instead of make a copy like it does in the browser. This can be useful just to avoid extra copies which are no longer needed and not saved in the cloud, because you definitely don't want to be making changes to a file that you expected to be in OneDrive when it's actually not. And another feature with drag and drop is you can do multiple files or folders at the same time. So for example, if I move both of these files, since I already have the PowerPoint one, it's going to replace it. And it has uploaded all of my files and folders in one drag and drop. As always, if you have any questions about services we provide or other Office 365 products, feel free to visit us at penpublishing.com. You can email us at sales@penpublishing.com. Feel free to visit our Facebook and Twitter and leave a like. And finally, if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.